with the 15. What's after that? I think it's 14. Bring it on to 13. You only got 12 seconds left. Up next we got 11. Followed by 10. Bring it on down to the 9. Give me the 8. We got 7 seconds left on the bridge. Fireworks. Everybody put your hands up. It's our Independence Day. 3 seconds till the lights explode. We got 2 seconds. Everybody look on up. We got the 1 second left. And I can't sweep you off of your feet. Will your eyes still remember the taste of my love? Will your eyes still smile from your cheek? Baby, my heart is still for us, hard at 23. I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe just a touch of a hand. Me, I fall in love with you every single day. I just wanna tell you I am. So honey, now take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. So darling, place your head on my beating heart. I'm thinking out loud that maybe we found love right where we are. When my hair's all gone and my memory fades, and the crowds don't remember my name. When my hands don't play the strings the same way, I know you will still love me the same. 'Cause darling, your soul could never grow. It's evergreen. Baby, your smile's forever in my mind and memory. I'm thinking about how people fall in love. caught up in a dream. And life will pass me by if I don't open up my eyes. So that's fine by me. So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself, and I didn't know I was lost. Wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself, and I didn't know I was lost. Carrying the weight of the world, but I only have two hands. I hope I get the chance to travel the world. I don't have any plans. I wish that I could stay forever this young, not afraid to close my eyes. Life's a game made for everyone, and love is the prize. So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself, and I didn't know I was lost. So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself, and I didn't know I was lost. I didn't know I was lost. I didn't know I was lost. Didn't know I was lost. I didn't know, didn't know. Oh, Such an honor to be here with you for your Independence Day celebration. Look at these fireworks, they're looking awesome. Come on. Give me your attention, baby. I gotta tell you a little something about yourself. partnership band. We're gonna introduce ourselves. Starting over here on my right hand man, literally and figuratively. Give it up for Marshall Wacker on the guitar. And upstage, just behind him in the shades, give it up for the one and only Omar Machado on the keys. We're gonna groove on down to our horn line, all the way on the end. Coming to us from Canada, put your hands together for Zachary Everett on trombone. And our youngest, coolest member of the bunch, the one and only Lance Corporal representing the United States Marine Corps, Kwame Dinizulu on saxophone. And our resident groove doctor, put your hands together for the one and only Eric Finch slapping the bass. And finally, keeping us in time, all the time, the one and only coolest cat in the land, Michael Lewis on drums. And let's not forget, all that you hear and see on stage would not be possible if it weren't for our audio engineer, Stephen Van Dyne in the back.
People of Palau, a big hand for our vocalist, musician third class, Damian Chambers.
And a special shout out to our boss, keeping us in check, Lieutenant Commander Barbosa. Let's take it home, gentlemen. We hope you had fun with us tonight. Once again, happy Independence Day, people of Palau. You are my treasure. You are my treasure. You are my treasure. Yeah, you are my treasure. You are my treasure. Oh, treasure. That is what you are. Honey, you're my golden star. Watch out for moving cars. Take care of each other. Love one another. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Come on, everybody, make some more noise for our band! Wow, taking us through the fireworks. Thank you. Let's make some more noise one more time for Pacific Partnership Band! Woo! All right, everybody, have a good night. Please drive safely. Don't drink and drive. And please, aware of more item na ko dito community lang.
All of us?
Oh, yeah, Palau Partnership Band, everybody.